Your post-menopausal nutrition needs a shift. And here's how to make it work daily. Hi, I'm Kristen, and it feels like you're eating the same way, but getting very different results. It's because your body has changed. After menopause, nutrition becomes one of the biggest levers that you can control, especially around energy, weight gain, and cravings. So why nutrition matters more now is because when estrogen goes off the cliff and drops, everything shifts. You burn fewer calories at rest. Your blood sugar becomes harder to regulate. Muscle declines faster, and hunger and fullness cues get thrown off. Day to day, this shows up as bigger cravings, afternoon crashes, feeling hungry even after you just ate, weight gathering around your midsection, and having that tired and wired feeling at once. The thing is, this is biology. It isn't willpower. 3 changes that can help most. Number 1, make protein your anchor, your priority. I say protein forward, especially at your first meal, whenever that is. Most women get far too little. So you stay full longer, crash less, and crave more when you increase your protein intake. Number 2, choose better carbs, not fewer. You don't need to avoid carbs. You need the slow digesting ones that help you feel full longer. You'll have steadier energy, fewer panic hunger moments, right? I gotta eat. Fewer of those. Number 3, balance your plate. This is a mantra I repeat over and over in my programs. Protein, fat, and fiber. This is the magic formula, right? That helps us to stabilize blood sugar, because honestly, that's what it's all about when it comes to maintaining and losing weight after menopause. We'll have fewer mood swings. Wouldn't that be nice, right? And easier weight loss. So what to start today? Go ahead and get 20 to 30 grams of protein at breakfast. Break fast, whenever that is, but aim for that amount of protein in there. Add fiber to every meal, aiming for a daily intake of around between 25 and 35 grams. Stop grazing, stop snacking, right? We think snacking, keeps my blood sugar stable. No, not at this stage in life. It's really gonna work against us. So no grazing. And build that balanced plate, PFF, protein, fat, and fiber. And these simple shifts change how you feel every single day. One day at a time. That's how it works. So your food doesn't have to get stricter. It just needs to get smarter. And once it's tailored to your hormones, everything feels easier again. And don't we want that? And so if this is resonating for you and you'd like help applying this to your body, your schedule, and your goals, we can talk it through together. And so just go ahead, book a quick call, and I'll help you see what your next best step is. I offer a variety of support and accountability at all levels. So just book a call and we'll see where it takes us. So I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you soon. Bye.